Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be recommending 3 stocks for next week. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel if you're interested in Forex. So let's get started. So the first stock for the next week is average. Yes, we have the chart of average in front of us right now. We are in the daily time frame and you can clearly see on the chart that this stock is very much bullish, which means that the stock is in uptrend. And the best part of the stock is that this stock is following a trend line as a support here. You can clearly see that I have drawn a line here, and this trend line is acting as a dynamic support for the market. In your charting platform or in your trading platform also, you can draw this trend line so that you can understand the chart better. Right now you can see that the stock is just standing at the support level or at the trend line here. So there is a good possibility that the stock will bounce and you can make some good money out of it. Therefore, on Monday, let the market open, and if you see that the stock is still respecting this trend line, or if you see that stock is trying to reverse from this particular trend line, then you can easily go for buy order. This trend line is a dynamic support, therefore I cannot give you any exact value. So I'm requesting you to draw this trend line in the charting platform and go for it. The second stock for the day is St. James Place, and one more stock which is a beautiful uptrend. You can just look at the chart and just admire the beauty of it. You can easily see that this chart is very sweet chart and extremely beautiful chart, and the stock is in beautiful uptrend. This kind of stock or this kind of chart are the best for investment purpose. Anyways, you can also see that this stock is also following a trend line as a support here, and in your charting platform also you can draw this price levels here or the price lows, and once you join these low levels, then you can easily get a trend line which is acting as a support for the market, just like the stock of average. In this STJ also we are having a dynamic support here. Right now the stock is trading at 1542 level. The stock is trading at this level. Do not buy at this level. Keep your eyes on this stock, because see, we know it pretty well that no stock or no forex goes up in a line like this. They always go up in a zigzag manner. You can see that this stock is also moving forward in a zigzag pattern. Therefore, wait for the perfect opportunity. Keep your eyes in the stock of St. James Place. Once you find the stock taking support at this trend line or this dynamic support, just go for a buy. Clean buy. No need to think about anything. And the third stock is Pennon Group. This stock is also in beautiful uptrend, very bullish stock. You can clearly see that right now the stock is extremely under the dominance of buyers, and the stock is trading at this level, 1242 level. You should not buy at this particular level. Just like the stock of St. James, keep your eyes in this stock. As we know, no stock or no market goes in a straight line. All of them goes in a zigzag pattern. Therefore, wait for the perfect opportunity. Keep your eyes in the stock. Once the stock comes and takes support at this trend line, just grab it. Go for a buy at this trend line, because you can clearly see on the chart that this stock is also following this trend line as a dynamic support. Whenever the stock is coming down, it is getting the required support from the trend line. So it's definitely a buy at this trend line. Keep your eyes on it. So these are the 3 best stocks for the next week. Hopefully you have liked the video. Then please subscribe to my channel and press the like button. Bye bye.